In this video, I will show you how to create a complex search in NetSuite, which you can use it as a custom report. It's very straightforward. You go into reports in the menu bar and then you choose new search. Then you need to choose the record type from NetSuite. The most common one that you might need, I believe, will be the transaction. So that's the one I'm going to select. So I click on transaction. And then you get on that screen. What you see on these filters are all the possible fields that are available on the transaction record. So I will choose, for example, amount, anything greater than 1,000, and I set it. You can add as many as you want, you just add them one after the other. And then what I will do, either I can export the data, but I will just click submit. So you can see, so here you can see the data. And what you can do once you're happy, okay, it looks correct, you can see in the amount is everything above 1,000. I will do save this search, and we'll do transactions above 1,000, and I save it. So now I'm back on the dashboard, and if I want to find the saved search I've just done, I can type transactions 1,000, which was my name. So you can see you could use the search prefix. Watch the video on the global search bar to look into this. But also I can go into reports, saved searches, all saved searches. And then if I sort on last run on, you see it at the top, you see it here, you can edit and view. As simple as that. Give a like to the video if you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.